Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to use the screen recording option. So to get started, pull down the notification panel, extend it, and find the toggle, which for me it's right over here. And you want to simply tap on it. Let's allow whatever it's asked. Okay, and got it. And unfortunately there has basically no settings here, and once you enable it, it will start recording. So whatever you will do is, well, right now being obviously recorded. Once you're done, you want to tap on the square. And before I do, I'll also mention that there is a microphone which right now is recording what I'm saying. If you don't want that, you can simply tap on it like so, and it becomes crossed out, as you can see, and it will now not record my voice. So let's just stop this. Now the footage was saved into the gallery, so let's open it up and go to videos. Now I'm gonna mute it so I don't actually hear my voice. There we go. Tap on it once more. Let's allow. There we go. And give it a second to start moving around. There we go. That's basically the recording. As you also seen, there was this mark right here where we could have paused the video and also enable or disable the microphone. That is not visible on the recording. It's only visible where I tapped, but the control actually is not. Okay, so that is basically how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.